getting baptized, and yeah, it was just amazing getting reached out this year, and then like kind of yeah, that was just amazing.
Man, God worked it out so perfect in 2018. Not only did I get to start dating an amazing woman of God, Helena Estrada, but I was able to be fruitful as well the very next month with Jeffrey Mazgarevis. Yeah, that's like the best thing.
I would say my most favorite memory in 2018 is just getting baptized. The day of the anniversary of the church, which was pretty dope. So yeah, I would say that's like my fond memory.
To return to the ways of the Lord after a long time that I was away from God, and also to be clean through the waters of baptism.
When this friend of mine, who was so different, became radically changed and reached out to me, and I studied the Bible and got baptized by him, and there's more. Just being saved in general, being a Christian.
What is your religious confession? Jesus is Lord.
What is your big confession?
Jesus is Lord.
I'm facing back to front, over my shoulder at the sun, and it's an open door, and off my line of sight it's more. And I don't learn, it'll all be fine this time. I don't learn, 'cause you always seem so kind. I don't learn, it'll all be fine this time. I don't learn. You held me down, come grab my hand for solid ground. I don't learn, it'll all be fine this time. I don't learn, 'cause you always seem so kind. I don't learn,
What I'm looking forward to 2019 is actually working alongside Saul. And just doubling ELAC. Has been my goal ever since I got there. So just looking forward for the winter term and spring semester, and just seeing what God will do.
To see what Sal can really do with the ELAC campus, and really just see the inspiration just really grow, and fruit that could come out of myself and the other disciples around me.
I will say I would like to learn the first principles, because that way I'll be able to walk some of myself. Other than that, I really don't know. I guess we'll see, right?
Is to share the word of God to many people that hope, peace, and happiness that the Word of God has given.
I think I narrowed it down to seeing Aaliyah getting baptized and me transferring to PCC. So yeah, my goal is to get baptized. My goal is to be the best disciple that I could truly be. And yeah.
I definitely want to see ELAC grow and just overall Central keep growing the campus and areas of
But I hope to see myself just have a deep, unrelenting love for God and only God, so that I could just live a life with Him and just be happy.
Let me down. I could learn from you. I could learn from